Today's word is catalogue. There are 3 syllables and the first syllable is stressed. Catalogue. It's any list of items usually arranged alphabetically with detailed notes. In business, a book or magazine containing details of the product of that business with pictures and prices, that's a catalogue. Its primary use is general, but you find this normally used in the libraries and the marketing side of business organizations. Catalogue. Let's look at a few sentences to see how it's practically used. Every Diwali, we receive catalogues from various stores with pictures and attractive prices. We are busy cataloging the things we are putting up for sale. Now, this is not a business. This is a household things that are sold because we don't want to use them. So we put it up for sale. Our whole vacation was a catalogue of disasters. Now, this is another use of catalogue. It means a series of bad things happening. A catalogue of disasters. Or a catalogue of successes. So it can be used positively or negatively as well. I received a catalogue of complaints from the students. Means a whole list of complaints. So you're not a small-time criminal, you're a big-time criminal. I got a catalogue of complaints against you. The opposition has a catalogue of errors against the government, none of which has been proven. So they've got a list of errors against the government, a catalogue of errors. And this report says that none of it has been proven though. Now let's look at a few relevant questions. What is catalogue in poetry? Well, it's a literary device which the poet uses to list out things, feelings, people, etc. Is a catalogue spelled with a U? The British spell it with a U and an E and the Americans don't. But they mean the same thing. So don't worry about the spelling. Both are accepted. Finally, let's look at a few synonyms. Archive. Note the pronunciation. Archive. Inventory. Compendium. Directory. Hit list. Roster. Well, hit list, it could be a terrorist hit list, or even a simple to-do list can be called a hit list. A very colloquial, informal term, hit list.
If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary.